Okay, DKC, this is quick and dirty. So everything that I'm doing here, I'm doing from a Google Chrome browser on a laptop. So hopefully on your PC, it should look the same or very similar. So when you go to whatnot.com, this will be your home screen, and then you should have your icon over here. You're going to click here, and then if you want to see your buying history, so it's defaulted to selling, so you make sure you click buying, and then you see the purchase button. And then here there's a download purchase history, so you just click that, and then you just put in the date that you want, what's the date range you want to measure. So go back to either when you opened your account to get everything, or if you're just interested, let's say we're only interested in the month of November, then I would do this, and then you just click download as CSV. It's going to open up this little file, and it'll look like this, and it'll have all your history. So order ID, order number. If you're ever needing to reference something to customer support, they'll take either of these, and then just all the information about each order, who you bought it from, when, how much you paid, the breakdown, and then what you're most interested in most likely is this column that says total. So this is total. That's with shipping, taxes, everything, what you paid. And then if I highlight everything, I can see that in the month of November to date, I've spent $12,794. So that is it. Hopefully that helps. If you need anything else, please let me know.